Every single day, all around you, marketing is happening. Not in advertisements, but in the small, human moments. And here's the truth most people never realize: you've been doing it your whole life. My name is Sadia, representing Kotler Impact, the global organization carrying forward the legacy of Professor Philip Kotler, the man the world calls the father of modern marketing. I'm also a co founder of the World Marketing Summit, which has been held around the world in collaboration with Azeemi Global Foundation. Our mission is to take the kind of knowledge that usually sits behind expensive doors and specific jargon and bring it freely to people all over the world in the most understandable, easy, and approachable way. And today, I want to share our newest gift with you: Marketing Management Foundations. 7 beautiful talks built for everyone. Whether you run a business, dream of starting one, or simply want to understand the world a little better, this is for you. We'll begin with the big question: what is marketing really? You'll discover it's not a department, it's a way of seeing the world. Then we'll step inside the human mind to understand why people buy. And it's rarely what you'd expect. We'll unlock the 4 Ps, the 4 simple forces behind every sale, explained through everyday life. And for those who feel that selling just isn't in their nature, there's marketing for people who hate selling, where we reframe it all as service, value, and connection. We'll clear up the confusion that trips up nearly every beginner: the difference between marketing, sales, and branding. We'll explore the oldest and most powerful marketing of all: word of mouth, and how to earn it. And we'll end where marketing truly lives, with marketing lessons from everyday life, stories from grocery stores, weddings, gatherings, and the neighborhood shops we all know. Here's how it works. Every week on the same day, one new talk arrives, right here on YouTube. After each one, you'll take a short quiz. And when you complete all 7, you'll earn your certificate in Marketing Management Foundations from Kotler Impact and the Azeemi Global Foundation, completely free. So subscribe, turn on your notifications, and join us. Let's discover together the quiet art that has been all around you all along. Your first lesson begins on World Marketing Day, May 27th. See you there.